and I especially came to this forum despite party came to power in the province of KP. We planted 1 billion trees. My optimism comes from the great powers. We can do anything. Countries that are responsible for, mainly are responsible for, is even more critical. Mr. President, every year, billions of dollars treated the same as, for instance, money from drugs or terror financing. It's not the same. The way the poor countries are being plundered by their elites. Our total debt went up 4 times. There's going to be a crisis sooner or later. So this is my second point.